This is such an important issue because fentanyl overdose deaths have really skyrocketed over the last 5 years among teenagers. Now, our team has been monitoring the state's overdose surveillance dashboard. The data for teenagers ages 15 to 19 show fentanyl-related deaths were at 10 in 2017. 2019, that number increased to 81. Then it soared in 2020 to 250 deaths. Then there was a slight decline in 2021 to 224 deaths. I took these numbers to U.S. Attorney Philip Talbert. He says many teens don't know how dangerous fentanyl is.
There was a national survey that showed that most teens, I think it was almost 3/4, didn't know about counterfeit pills containing fentanyl. And when asked about what drugs are extremely dangerous, only half as many listed fentanyl as being extremely dangerous as, say, heroin. And yet 14 times the number of deaths are attributed to fentanyl overdoses than to heroin. So I think, and part of this, the summit is a big part of this. We need to get the word out. We need to educate our youth that fentanyl is in these counterfeit pills. One, the pills are fake. Two, they contain fentanyl, which is really dangerous if used outside of surgical procedures and other legitimate medical procedures.
U.S. Attorney Talbert says drug dealers are targeting teens with counterfeit pills that aren't real prescription medications and colored fentanyl pills made to look like candy. He says parents need to talk to their kids about the problem.
You got to talk to your kids. We love them. There's a new danger that is out there right now that is killing kids. And our kids need to know about it. They need to know that if they're going to take a pill, then they might be taking a 40% chance that they'll die from that.
Coming up at 7, we'll talk about strategies federal agents are using to go after drug traffickers and how these crimes are being prosecuted. Back to you.
7-hour opioid summit was not open to the general public, but information gathered today will be shared with schools and the community.